Let's create a program to demonstrate the Python print statement, which is the output statement. So we'll just create a program called hello.py, and of course we'll use the print statement. It's actually a function, so we're going to need open close parentheses and then a literal string inside whatever we want to print. And so we'll use the traditional hello world, and essentially what that does when we run this is print right here the words hello world. So whatever we put inside of quotes is going to be a what we call a literal string, and so character for character it wants to print that on the screen. We can change this up a bit for the print statement, so we could say hello comma and then a variable, and let's just call that name, which doesn't exist yet, so we need to create a variable called name and set that equal to something. Let's say Monty. And so when we run this, it's gonna look up the variable. Python will automatically put a space between those. So let's run that, and so we see the output is hello Monty. And if we wanted to add more to the end of that, we can put another comma with yet another string. So we could put punctuation in there. I'll just use an exclamation point. We'll run that, and now we get hello Monty with an exclamation, but notice there's a space there. So using the default print method with commas separating our variables from our literal strings, there's a default separator value of a space, right? So one way we could change that is to concatenate these together. So we should concatenate the name variable string with a literal string, and if we run this, that will exclude that space because we're not using the comma. We're just saying concatenate these two strings together for the output. Also, if we want a comma to be after the word hello, just add that to the string like that. So we'll run that, and you see hello comma Monty. So again, anything inside the quotes typically will be put on the screen. We may look at special characters in another video. So one other little modification here, let's say we want to get input from the user. So we'll do an input, similar syntax to the print statement. We're going to prompt the user for what the input is. So we'll say, what is your name? Or maybe enter your name would be better. We'll leave it at that. So it will actually at that point get input from the keyboard. All right, so we'll run this, and it's going to prompt us down here to say what is your name, and let's say our name is Robin. We'll enter that, and it'll come back and substitute that in for the variable and tell us hello Robin. So that's a basic look at the print statement. There are a few more details that we can look at later.